Better get lit outside. Yo, shit. Oh, yeah, we lit out here. I gotta get my stick, yo, cap. Oh, yeah, damn. Ooh. Oh, yeah, we lit outside. My nigga, don't worry about it. Hey, we lit outside. No, oh, I got my stick, too. You know we lit. No bullshit. Yeah. Where niggas at, though? Niggas is not here. Niggas is not here. You got my nigga Glow right here with the scat. Then you got the big bitch right here. Nigga, I was about to go out. I was really on the way back up the road. Damn. Yo, they just going fed. Niggas is going crazy, bro. There's so many people out here, gang. God damn. They got them Honda, boy. They got the Honda guys. They got the old schools. Nah, no cap. I'm just recording them as they come by. I ain't even doing all that walking. I ain't gonna lie. That old school tough right there. Oh, they got the, yeah, that shit tough. Smoking them, everybody. Just recording everything come through. Oh yeah. No bullshit. Gotta get the hell. Where's she at? Cap, do it, nigga. Let's get right. I'm going after you. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That boy got that motherfucking hell kizzy, nigga. What you saying? Big Durango. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Crazy, bro. You already got crazy. Already. So let's get it there. Let's get it there. Y'all know what we finna do, man. We finna go crazy. Try to record that shit again. Big TRX. Huh? So, y'all, we finna slide to the other meet, see what they talking about. This meet ain't really talking about nothing, but it's a lot of people out here, though, man. So I appreciate the support. And, yeah, man. So we finna see what this other meet talking about. I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. Yeah, this shit is ass. Yeah, nah, that shit is ass. Ain't no way. They thought we was gonna sit through that bullshit. No way. And I'm in eco mode right now, man, so I need some fucking gas, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's get right here. She don't want no smoke, though. You know she don't want no smoke. Damn, bro, we just went all the way over here to this nasty ass whack shit. This shit suck ass. Where's all the fucking meats at, gang? Where is niggas at? Nigga riding with his lights off, 12 over there. I'm riding 2 street lanes, like, man, damn. Fuck. If I don't find nothing in the next 20 minutes, man, that's lit, I'ma call it a night. I might pop outside with the guys, I don't know. I would just be chilling for real. So, with that being said, we go see what the word is. No bullshit. Cause yeah, that shit isn't it at all. I'm in eco mode right now also, so. But the night is dumbing down, man. I think it's supposed to be a takeover going on, man. So I might stick around for that. Oh, Shorty ain't coming with us. Ah. She said, I am going home, nigga. I've been smacking this cat all damn day. I'm about to cruise. Fuck. They talking about it's supposed to be me going on, man. I don't know if I want to spam my shit, but I know I do. But I don't know. I'm really trying to find some other moves, man. So if I find some other moves, I'm gonna have to let y'all know. Cause right now this shit is looking so ass. And it's like 10 o'clock right now, man. So I don't know what's going on. No bullshit. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little few, man.
Hey man, I know what's going on, man. Talk to him, girl.
You already know what the fuck, bro. Oh, that's J-Day.
What to say?
Downtown, them niggas be on car.
They be on that shit.
Them niggas be posting.
Hey
nigga.
man, I know what's going on,
what
man.
What going on? We got these hoes lit out here. Bro, the widebody's got these hoes lit out here.
You know what's going on, man.
What the fuck are they talking about?
Hey man, we in our city, boy.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
feel me?
Yeah.
Hey man, exotic fast, your boy fucking AyyoTj, man. We back, man. You feel me?
Had to get the little joke on.
Man,
You know
what?
She got
Hey
that
look, we
phone.
just cooling.
You feel me? I got the little, you know what I'm saying? Man, we coming, nigga.
You feel me? Hey man, we in the borough with it, man. What? Hey, talk to him, man.
Bro, what the hell? 10, 17 old? Yeah, they look hell. Yeah. Hey, they look hell. You know what I'm saying?
Hey y'all, man, it's our city, bro. We just out here cooling, man. Hey, downtown Greensboro. Downtown Greensboro, man.
You can't say I'm speed, but I ain't even speed. I'm on like 45. Can't say that's speed. My shit just loud, bro. What you want me to do? What you want me to do, bro? You better not turn either, bro. You better not do that shit. Yeah. Shit the fuck on beside you.
Yeah, what the? Tell him, what the fuck did you do? Yo, man, it's been so long, man. You feel me?
Got these long tube headers on, man. Got the purple tube.
Yeah. Hey, y'all, this shit sound beautiful.